Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present 5 tips that I prepared for you on whiteboard animation, how you can make it better, and if you're starting out, what you should keep in mind. So let's start. My first tip that I prepared for you is to have a story, if it's possible. Sometimes you can have story, but what I would try to do is always implement a story into my whiteboard animation. People will watch it. You can sell more, you can sell your ideas, even if it's a Facebook video or a YouTube video. It's like really good to have a story in your whiteboard animation. So that's the first thing. The second thing, or the second advice I have for you, is to let it have a value. Many times I see that people are creating whiteboard animation when it's not even necessary to create those, only because like it doesn't have value. It's like a whiteboard animation video about my business, even when it's not necessary at all. So what kind of value can you bring to the market with your whiteboard animation video? Okay, let's say I'm making a review of the book, or let's say that I'm making a whiteboard animation of a podcast of Joe Rogan or Naval or someone, right? Or Ellen Watts video. After school are making those. So you should definitely keep in mind this too, to let it have value. Like ask yourself, what value do I really bring to the market? This is so damn important. Now, this is the second tip I have for you. The third tip I have is to read your script out loud. When you're not using a podcast as a background, or when you're not focusing mainly on like let's say some Ellen Watts video. So if you have audio your own, or someone you want to pay to read it out loud, read it by yourself first. Like, okay, read it and like, okay, does it make sense? You know, because I see in some videos that what they are saying there, it doesn't make sense at all. So this is something you should definitely keep in mind too. The 4 I prepared for, that's like, this is the one of the most important tips I prepared, is that you should make it as effective as possible. Again, what I see plenty of times, then when people, it takes a really long time to create whiteboard animation. That's okay, but is there a way how you can make it effective? Is there a way how you can shorten the time of creating a whiteboard animation video, but still make it just good? You know, so same quality, but less investment time. Can you create it? Can you figure out the way how to do it? So this is something you should definitely keep in mind, in my opinion, and find a way how we can optimize it. So definitely try to find a way how you can make it effective. And in my opinion, to make it effective is to have a timestamp on how much you're gonna spend time on creating it. Like, okay, then try to create keybinds that for animations and everything. Try to find ways that you don't have to create your own PNG and everything, and try to download it from somewhere else. And if it's going to be like good and enough, then try to create that. Okay, first thing first, what I'm going to do, I will create a script which is going to be top notch. I'm going to imagine how I'm going to create it, and then I'm going to create it, and then I'm going to export it and upload it. So have these segments, because like when I create YouTube videos, how I create them is that first I'm going to create script for all videos, then I'm going to create those videos, then I'm going to upload those videos, and then I do the post edit. So this is how we do it, and this is why it's so damn effective. And the 5 advice I prepared for you is ask for feedback. This is so damn important. Ask when people are going to watch your video, what do they think about it? Just ask them if they liked it. If they would like, I don't know, better voiceover or better animations, better whiteboard. So this is something you should definitely keep in mind. This is what I recommend for you to do too, is to always focus on feedback. So let's like do the summary. First, storytelling. Just do the storytelling to see. So it's going to be good. Then let it have a value. Again, ask yourself, what do you bring to the market? If it's actually good, and if you bring something new or something with a good information to the market, then read your script out loud. Read it, say it if it's good or no. Then make it as effective as possible. So, okay, I'm going to make it so damn effective that what took me 2-3 hours, it's going to take me right now like half an hour or 1 hour. And then ask for feedback. So this is the last thing I prepared for you. Ask for feedback, see by yourself, let them like speak to you, write in the comments what you think about this video. This is the way how you can make your whiteboard animation really damn good. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.